Hello again, everybody. This is Sam Jackson with Heartland Turf and Landscape, and just out for a walk in my neighborhood here. And we've got this field, and it's filled. It looks beautiful. It's filled with dandelion. I'll give you a shot here. This is my daughter, Layla. Say hi, Layla.
Hi.
So, yeah, of course, these dandelions look great when they're in a park or somewhere else other than your lawn. But if they're in your lawn, you might not be too thrilled if you've got especially this many dandelions. So one thing we always get questions about right when these because 1 minute there's no dandelions and it seems like the next minute they're just everywhere. So if you're one of our customers on our lawn treatment program and you're seeing some dandelions, and especially if you've only just started using our program and you're not familiar with our program, we get a lot of questions this time of year. People asking about, why are there so many dandelions in my lawn? I thought I hired you to take care of them. So here's the thing with dandelion. The treatments, all the chemicals that are available currently on the market, there's no products that effectively treat the dandelions before they emerge. So there's no pre-emergent product that's really highly effective for dandelions and really for a lot of your broadleaf weeds. The pre-emergent that we put down is great at controlling grass type weeds, which is crabgrass and foxtail. But for the other broadleaf weeds, you basically have to wait for those to appear in the lawn because you have to spray the product onto the surface of the leaf for that plant to absorb it into its system and for that product to do its job of killing that pest weed or whatever it is that you're trying to target with that weed spray. So don't be worried if you're seeing some dandelions. We'll be out soon to get them sprayed. And this is one of the reasons why we do 2 rounds of the spray is because, again, it's only going to take care of the dandelions currently present in your lawn. So we may come and spray. You've got some dandelion that are still in seed. They have not fully germinated and broken through the surface. So what we do is we come back out about 3 to 4 weeks after we've applied the first treatment, and then any other dandelions and other weeds that have subsequently, reappeared, then we'll treat those again, and that'll generally knock them out for the rest of the season. Because at that point, a majority of your dandelions and other types of broadleaf weeds have had a chance to appear in the lawn, and we've had our chance to come out and do the treatment to eliminate them. So that's pretty much it. Just keep in mind that it's normal to see some dandelions, especially if you've just started a lawn program and you've had issues with dandelions in the past or other weeds. So just have a little patience and let the product do its work. One other thing I want to mention is that once the dandelions are sprayed, you want to try to turn off your irrigation system so that for the next 24 hours so the product doesn't get washed away. But if we do happen to get a little rain or you forget to turn your irrigation system off, most of the chemical is absorbed into the plant in the first hour to 2 after it's applied. So we recommend 24 hours because that really gets you the last little bit of maximum effectiveness. But most of the work that the product's going to do is in those first couple hours right after it's sprayed. So again, don't worry about it. But if you can, try to avoid watering it. And you should be great, and you'll see great results. And after about 10 to 12 days after the treatment is applied, you'll see those dandelions starting to curl up and die off. That's it for now. Thanks.